extreme off-road, cool riding on the ground, free swimming in water. Creative double-star amphibious cross-country car. Double motor power output, wide-range body torque, handle various landform easily. Full-sealed waterproof structure, even in the water, can swim freely. Front impact protection design to provide a solid shield. Equipped with 2.4 Hz gun-type remote control, easily control remotely. Bump-textured hollow tires, increase gripping ability. Front and rear wheels are equipped with shock-absorbing springs, making the body more stable in a bumpy road. Super-strength ABS material reinforces the car to withstand the impact. To break the geographical boundaries, creative double-star amphibious climbing car.